In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Bind Ability Words. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock Bind, and I'm gonna be talking about its abilities. So it's passive, and then the U and the Q. So this is going to be a secret ability that you can acquire. If you look at the return podium, you can see it here. So it is this pink or reddish ball, as you can see. This is the secret ability located on the returns podium, Bind. It requires you to complete the 11th quest. This is going to be a badge where you have to defeat Asmodeus in the Day of Deus. Sadly, for this video, I can't go into too much detail, but basically you have to go to the Astral Dimension, find the boss Asmodeus, and you will be able to defeat him. Once you defeat him, it awards you with Bind. So this ability allows you to attack opponents with clinging orbs, and it restricts their movement. So I'm going to give you an overview of all of its abilities. First, using your E, we'll use Chain Orb. Once you use this ability, you will throw a red orb that, when hit, slows the enemy down for about 2 seconds before exploding. So you will raise your arm, you will throw the orb, and they will be hit, slowing them down for around 2 seconds. And it is going to explode. This attack is spammable, and if you have multiple orbs landing before the first one explodes, the explosion timer will reset. So you can make sure that all orbs explode together. One orb is going to deal 10 damage. However, every following orb adds an extra 5. So you can do 15 damage with 2 orbs, 20 damage with 3, 25 damage with 4, and so on. The only exception to this is if all 10 charges connect, which deals 50 damage instead of 55. Orbs will bounce off any obstacle a maximum of 4 times before disappearing, and you can have 10 charges off your E move. Finally, your Q move will throw a larger red orb, as you can see here on this picture, and it is going to vacuum everyone on contact. It will trap players in the center and then explode after around 3 to 4 seconds. So it is wonderful if you have a group of players together, and you will be able to suck them all in to restrict their movement. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Bind Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.